I pulled up to do some jibbing out here and I realized that I was pretty tired. I decided I was going to hike nearby to the lake, but with one twist. I'm going to do it barefoot. I'm about 30 seconds in and I'm freezing my foot off, but I think I got this. I'm at like a point where it's just so numb that I can't even feel it. There's a little creek here. Let's see how cold the water is. Oh yeah, that's cold. The pack is starting to get smaller. That kind of sucks. So close. This isn't even the worst part. Ah, boot pack sucks now. God damn, lake. Made it. My feet are off the ground now because it's cold as fuck. I'll warm my feet up for a little bit and then maybe jump in. We'll see. I got all that shit off. Whew, I think I'm just gonna go do it now. This sucks ass. I'm dressed. Now it's time to get the fuck out of here. Oh yeah. Goodbye, lake. Almost halfway. Or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna get back to the creek. Seem to have made it. Alright, well, back at the running. First, I'm gonna hop in this bitch and turn the heat on. Parking lot might be the way. Oh shit, hurry. Oh, there's my bitch. Warm these puppies up, we'll go do some jibbing.